BlackRock's just filed for an XRP ETF, and Larry Fink dropped a hint that broke the internet. This is the institutional tsunami that could send XRP to 1,000. You've been warned. The cryptocurrency market is about to experience an unprecedented shift, and it's all thanks to BlackRock, the $10 trillion asset management behemoth, known for its influential presence in the financial world. In a stunning move, BlackRock has officially filed for an XRP ETF. This filing is not just a routine procedure. It represents a significant endorsement of digital currencies. But this isn't just some ordinary filing. This is the kind of move that can revolutionize how the world views digital assets. The implications are vast, and far-reaching. XRP, which has already been making waves in the world of cross-border payments, is now poised to gain even more traction. Now, with the full backing of one of the most respected financial institutions in the world, XRP's credibility and potential are skyrocketing. This is the kind of catalyst that could send XRP's price to $1,000 investors, and market analysts are already buzzing with excitement. Here's why this move is so massive. It signifies a major shift in the acceptance and integration of digital assets into mainstream finance, potentially paving the way for the more institutional investments in the cryptocurrency music space. Let's break this down. The recent developments in the financial world have been nothing short of revolutionary. BlackRock's filing for an XRP ETF means that the world's largest asset manager is fully backing XRP as a legitimate financial instrument. This is a monumental step that signals a shift in how traditional finance views digital assets. This opens the floodgates for trillions of dollars in institutional money to flow into XRP. Institutional investors who have been cautious are now seeing the potential and security in these digital assets. What does that mean for you, for individual investors? This could mean more stability and potential growth in their portfolios. It means that pension funds, 401ks, and other large institutional portfolios could soon hold XRP as part of their investment strategies. This could lead to more widespread adoption and acceptance of cryptocurrencies in everyday financial planning. Imagine this BlackRock's, which manages an enormous amount of global assets, has made its move on XRP. The implications are game-changing. This could be the beginning of a new era, where digital assets become a staple in global finance. This ETF will allow everyday investors through their retirement funds and investment portfolios to indirectly hold XRP without even having to deal with wallets, exchanges, or the complexities of the crypto space. This is mass adoption and institutional validation of XRP's utility and potential, and with BlackRock's involvement, you can expect to see XRP rise from the shadows of volatility to the limelight of mainstream music finance. Now here's where it gets even more exciting. Coinbase, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the United States, has already been setting up its custodial services to manage the inflows of XRP that will come with the ETF. This means that the infrastructure is in place, the vaults are ready, and the capital is lining up. XRP's role as a bridge asset for cross-border payments is crucial here. As global transactions continue to grow, the need for efficient and reliable digital currencies becomes more critical. XRP's ability to facilitate those transfers quickly and cost-effectively makes it an indispensable part of the financial system. Its unique technology allows for near instantaneous transactions, which is a game-changer in the world of finance. The fact that Coinbase, with its experience in secure custody for institutional clients, is backing this move shows that they're anticipating a huge influx of institutional money into XRP. This endorsement from a major player in the crypto space highlights the growing confidence in XRP's potential. It's not just about trading anymore. It's about institutional investors securing XRP as a long-term store of value. This shift indicates a broader acceptance and recognition of XRP's role in the future of digital finance, making it a cornerstone for both current and future financial strategies. Now let's talk price. Analysts are starting to weigh in, and the numbers are mind-blowing. One prominent analyst, known as Wall Street Whale, has predicted that XRP could hit $1,000 post-ETF launch. The reasoning tokenization of real-world assets is set to explode, and XRP is positioning itself to be at the center of this music revolution. Think about it. XRP is already being used for cross-border payments. But as the tokenization of real-world assets like real estate, commodities, and even art becomes a mainstream phenomenon, XRP will be the go-to asset for facilitating these transactions. With BlackRock's backing, the floodgates for tokenized assets will open, and XRP will be the liquidity bridge that facilitates these massive transactions. If this becomes the standard, there's no reason why XRP couldn't rise to $1,000 as it becomes the go-to asset for securing and transferring these tokenized assets. Of course, no investment is without its risks. There are some challenges ahead, including potential delays or regulatory pushback from the SEC. Ripple and XRP are still in a legal battle with the SEC, which is an ongoing concern for the market. Plus, with competing ETFs like those for Solana or Bitcoin, there's a possibility that XRP could face increased competition. However, the fact that BlackRock is willing to take the risk and file for an XRP ETF speaks volumes. BlackRock doesn't make decisions lightly, and this move signals a major vote of confidence in XRP. Despite the risks, the potential for massive upside here is undeniable. To back up the growing excitement, just look at the statement from BlackRock's CEO Larry Fink. In a recent interview said, XRP is the future of asset tokenization. This is huge. Fink isn't just talking about XRP as a cryptocurrency, he's talking about its potential as a tool for tokenizing real-world assets. This could be the key to unlocking XRP's massive value in the future. And if you needed any more signs that XRP is on the verge of a massive rally, look no further than the recent price chart. XRP is showing strong bullish momentum. And if BlackRock's ETF filing goes through, we could see this chart morph into something that reads $1,000 before we know it. BlackRock's decision to file for an XRP ETF is more than just a financial move. It's a shift in the entire landscape of digital assets. This is institutional validation that XRP is here to stay as BlackRock's positions itself at the forefront of asset tokenization. XRP is in the perfect place to capitalize on this. The possibility of XRP reaching $1,000 is no longer a pipe dream. It's becoming a very real scenario. With BlackRock's backing and Coinbase's custody role, the infrastructure is being laid for XRP to become a core part of the global financial system. So if you haven't already, this is your chance to get in early before XRP's explosive price surge. Smash, like if you're holding XRP for the long haul, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. The future of finance is here, and XRP is leading the way. Are you ready for liftoff?